the importance of value streams for continuous flow. How do we go about identifying and validating value streams and arts? To begin with, at what point in time, if your company has strategically decided to implement scaled agile framework, aka SAFe, at what point in time should you go about identifying value streams? The first thing, if you look at the SAFe implementation roadmap over here, you can see that this is the point where, let's say, you have already decided to do SAFe as an organization. You have the Lean-Agile Center of Excellence established, which is the change leadership team or change management team. There are some SPCs on board. The senior executive or senior management team is trained in SAFe. So you see here, by the time we come to identifying value stream, there is some degree of SAFe knowledge that is now already with your executive management, senior management team, who have a critical role in the process of identifying value stream. They are going to participate, right? And generally, the recommendation is, before you invite stakeholders for a value stream and art identification workshop, we recommend people to go through a leading SAFe class to get them acquainted into some of the SAFe constructs, the framework basics, what is a value stream, so that when they come to this workshop, not everything looks Greek and Latin for them. Okay? I will not call it mandated. I will call it highly recommended. Because when you are here for a cause, it helps if you, talk to a Roman while you are in Rome. It's something like that. We don't want people to feel detached about what's going on. Now, secondly, you may wonder, Mahesh, is this a one-time exercise? Like any transformation or learning is a journey, value stream exercise to me begins one time, but the review, retrospective, and the reflection, refinement is an ongoing journey. So do not think this exercise is a one-time affair. Point number 2, many organizations, enterprises, which have been doing Agile for a while, think, let's say I need to move to scaling. Maybe SAFe can be the most suitable framework for my company. Go about launching arts. But not many of them end up identifying value streams. I'll tell you an example. In one company, when I went in, this train that was launched a month ago, after 1 or 2 sprints down the line, when we were looking at how they were functioning and what's going on in the execution, it was so apparent that on one side, there were multiple product managers steering the train, and the team of teams who were operating as a train had probably, very little to no dependency on each other, and building some applications that were no way meant to work together. And that revelation gave us to the $1 million question: why are you guys ever operating as a train? And you know what we found out? In that construct, yes, they had a value stream by paper, because somebody said before you do art launch, value stream has to be identified. But the way they did value stream was, some leader, a senior development leader, a director level leader told, everybody underneath me belong to one value stream. Because they don't want to have a different way of managing their hierarchies. Please remember, SAFe works on the dual operating system model. Let your org structures and hierarchies remain as is. But when you want to really shift towards a truly outcome-focused organization, a purpose-driven organization, then your value streams is what is going to trigger you to work like a startup, truly customer-centric, truly delivering value to your customers towards the intended cause. How do we go about doing it?